Hey, today we're going to talk about the HandFun mini humidifier. HandFun. We're going to remove this film right here. Okay, so these are the extra filters that it comes with, as you can see here. So we're going to open it by turning it counterclockwise, like so. And you see it has the filters. Make sure you're using tap water to fill the humidifier. You can close it by turning it clockwise. The HandFun mini humidifier has 4 mist modes. Here we see the 90-degree spray mode. And here I'm showing you the double spray mode, which is the 90 and 45 degree. And it's followed by the intermittent spray mode between the 90 and 45 degree. Notice how they switch and take turns. And the last mode is the 45 degree spray mode. You can use it as a personal mister. It's ideal for the office, bathroom, reading room, car, or travel. Thank you for watching.